Hazrat Abu Qilaba states that Hazrat Malik bin Hawarith radiyallahu anhu said, "We some fellows of the same age group visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and stayed with him for 20 days, and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was extremely affectionate. When he felt our yearning for our families, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked us about the people we had left behind. So we notified him of that. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, 'Go back to your families, live with them, impart them religious knowledge, command them to act upon it,' and then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned a lot of things. Some of them we retained and some of them we could not memorize. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Perform the prayer as you have watched me performing the prayer. When the time of any prayer becomes due, let one of you proclaim the prayer call, and let the oldest amongst you lead you in the prayer.'" Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7246.